In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the batteries in a Mercedes-Benz key fob. This key fob takes two CR2025 batteries, and if you need some, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can purchase them. You won't need any special tools to replace these batteries. The only thing we're going to have to do is slide this button to the side on the top and pull out the manual key, and it'll release the internal compartment which has the battery attached to it. So what we're going to do is press up gently on this side of the battery to wedge it up slightly where you can see the bottom edge of the first battery, and then slowly work your fingernail behind that first battery and you can push it out. And then you can do the same thing for the second one, and you can slide the battery out, get rid of your old batteries, and then you can replace and put in your new batteries. Same way you took them out, just slide them in. Take your second one, slide it in as well, and they should seat nicely inside. Take this section and you will want to align your key with this slot that's right here. So we'll line those two up and you're finished. So hopefully this video helped you out in replacing the batteries in your Mercedes-Benz key fob. If it did, leave our video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.